If you've ever tried to present an idea and run the code at the same time, you end up juggling slides in one window, Colab in another. There's a simpler open source way. This is DoodleCode, present, explain, and visualize all in one Doodle canvas. Everything lives on a single canvas. Drop in code, markdown, images, a browser, a whiteboard, charts, even animations. And it all saves as one Python file. Your charts come out hand-drawn, bar, line, pie. So the data feels like part of the story. Reveal your ideas step by step with animation cells. Fade, slide, pop, or draw them on. Hit present and the canvas becomes a deck. And you can draw on it live with a pen or highlighter while you talk. Need a library? Pip install right inside the canvas. And the next import just works, no restart. Here's the whole studio, a live Python kernel, callouts beside any cell, and a canvas you arrange however you think.